the universe of blockchain has its restrictions. Here comes the job of dispersed record innovation that supplants the exceptionally whole range of blockchain-based arrangements, giving solutions to all questions that has of recently stayed unanswered. The need to trade resources across a solid and financially savvy network especially has generally gotten energy, and the undertaking DLT-DOR guarantees interoperability across various frameworks and organizations, and DLTs, ventures, legislatures, and people across the globe benefit from the genuine capability of an inconceivably strong innovation of DLT. This generally has truly additionally worked with interoperability, associated the world, and sort of aided drive enormous worth. For the most part, open up new business sectors and acknowledge new efficiencies for ventures, legislatures, and people the same, which truly is very huge. Gilbert Verdian followed Quant in the year 2015 amazingly. Appropriated record innovation generally is a by and large unique idea that adds to making the existences of individuals more engaged, more speedy, making their lives most certainly simpler and quite agreeable both, arising as the most really encouraging answer for versatility. This conveyed record innovation sort of has been the base of beginning for Quant incredibly. Quant, assurance without any trade-offs. The difficulties of blockchain being information availability. They additionally came in bundles, which is genuinely huge. Those bundles commonly included more slow exchanges, however greater expenses. Quant guaranteed these repetitive expenses really are disposed of alongside the benefit of a higher speed of exchanges. This valued computerized cash offered clients the upside of fixed cash at no inflationary expense. The exceptionally decentralized agreement of Quant truly makes clients their lords of approval in an unobtrusive manner. Like blockchain, this computerized resource Quant additionally doesn't call for pretending of any go-betweens in a significant manner. Quant, joint efforts versus, which truly is very critical, rivalry. The vanguard innovation of Quant pursues it among the highest level decisions of clients who mean to for the most part coordinate speed with the ever-evolving patterns in exchanging, or so they thought. Foundations across the globe in a real sense have arisen, giving dynamic interest to indication organizations with Quant. What's in store is fundamentally brilliant for Quant as natural reception picks up speed since the DLT network acclimatizes arrangements in view of genuine application. Being an especially key job player, Quant establishment has teamed up with these associations to saddle the capability of moderate innovation in an unpretentious manner. Quant has completely devoted itself to the reason for information handling, subsequently crusading especially brilliant charging, crowdfunding, shrewd homes, space investigation, ongoing information stockpiling, savvy frameworks capabilities incredibly. Quant value expectations, market feeling. With a market capitalization of $1,364,484,842.90 and an exchanging volume of $57,619,098.01, Quant has a ton to shock financial backers. Quant value has to its dishonor being the slowest and its credit being the reliably developing crypto resource classification. The originators behind Quant are exceptionally hopeful that being a pioneer, the mass reception of Quant fundamentally has a great deal of vows to observe for its fans. The exceptionally current cost of Quant remains at $113.26 and by and large is set to soar because of the expansion popular for Quant later on in a significant manner. Quant value expectations 2022 depends on specialized investigation alone. QNT cost fundamentally shows a bullish pattern, and on the off chance that this pattern proceeds, Quant cost could basically run alongside the bulls, surpassing its $432 obstruction level and move a lot higher in a significant manner. In light of our Quant cost expectations calculation, a drawn-out increment most certainly is normal. The cost conjecture for 2026 is $917.74. With a 5-year venture, the income truly is supposed to essentially be around plus 714.61%, which is genuinely huge. The kind of current cost of QNT is around $112.82, and our information demonstrates that the QNT crypto has been in an upswing. As per our Quant figures, the future cost of Quant is anticipated at $163.05 following a year in a significant manner. The Quant cost is determined to in a real sense reach $134.61 by the start of December 2022. The normal most extreme cost explicitly is $168.26. The base cost is $114.42, or so they fundamentally thought. The QNT cost figure for the finish of 2022 is $134.61. By January 2023 end, it ought to handily swing around $189.31, making it a drawn-out wise speculation. Quant cost has a promising future for esteem alongside high gamble and instability. It might really get imperceptibly influenced and remedied towards help levels, however bulls will basically be back, and around 2024, its cost might soar at a record-breaking high to $430.88, making financial backers purchase Quant in a significant manner. Quant Value Forecast 2023. Despite the fact that specialists basically expect Quant costs scaling a pinnacle of $166.22, with different improvements on innovation, it would be more secure to wager it at its help around $179.47 coming to 2 or 3 years to play protected by our forecast. Quant Value Expectation 2024. The crypto coin value expectations of different specialists don't discourage Quant from beating the adversaries using any and all means. The Quant People Group explicitly has set higher benchmarks for itself regardless. Quant cost will outperform the assumptions for all digital currency and forks financial backers who in a real sense have sort of found this stage very intuitive and straightforward, taking the QNT cost to $195.37 in an unpretentious manner. Quant Value Expectation 2025. Another significant basically send-off of Quant is set to reveal soon, which would be upheld by large numbers of trades. It wouldn't be a misrepresentation to find that Quant has scaled a pinnacle of $246.66, however the equivalent can't be known as an extremely exaggerated and light in a real sense reach. According to the Quant estimates, QNT crypto will arise as a rising sun eclipsing the most recent developments in blockchain innovation, as opposed to mainstream thinking. QNT costs could outperform dealers' assumptions, arriving at overwhelming levels of $513.69 by December 2030. Thus, clients can fundamentally choose to exchange QNT or basically change the weightage of QNT in their portfolio at the ongoing value levels to get huge benefit in the forthcoming years. As a matter of fact, Quant Value Forecast 2026 in a kind of large manner. Shockingly, the year 2026 may go out to generally be a defining moment for Quant, as it fundamentally has started a couple new send-offs, and the world would before long be of Pax stablecoin on its blockchain. This would especially considerably accelerate the genuine business applications on Quant, which sort of is very critical. It might try and cross $225.39, making it a productive venture for merchants to purchase, sell Quant for impressive increase. Is it beneficial to put resources into Quant? In light of the conjecture information, it can anticipate that the coin cost has been showing a rising propensity from the previous year, and it is beneficial to put resources into Quant, which generally is very huge. How would I generally purchase QNT? Many exchanging stages and crypto trades offer a choice to sell Quant in a kind of significant way. Register yourself with by and large your KYC accreditations and execute by means of any of your Lord or Visa cards, which is very critical. Post-confirmation, your advanced coins certainly are moved to commonly your Quant wallet, or so they explicitly thought. A site like quantprices.com screens generally significant trades for their BTC and ETH rates and explicitly joins them with really current Quant costs for simple examination. How does Quant value gain importance in the market? Amazingly, only the trust of financial backers has made a vertical flood in the QNT cost in an unpretentious way, demonstrating its legitimacy against rivals. Quant has endured the trial of times and is most certainly worth financial back